In this video, let's see how to add Giphy to Slack. Click on Add Apps under the Apps section. In the search bar, type Giphy. Click the Install button next to the Giphy app. In the Slack Marketplace, click the Add to Slack button. Click the Add Giphy Integration button. The integration is added and you can change the settings here. Go back to Slack and click on any chat box. Type /Giphy. Select Find and Share a GIF from the list. In the Giphy pop-up, search for the GIF you want. Click the Search button. A GIF will be displayed, and if you don't like it, click the Shuffle button to view a different GIF. To share the GIF, click the Share button.